Here you can hear the starter is engaging, but it's not holding and just spins freely. This is the only video I had, but you should see the gear sitting all the way out and spinning, which it was doing when I had like a good electrical connection, which was not the case in that video. This is a way to tell if your Bendix gear is holding. It'd be better to have it in a vise, but I didn't have one as I am camping. So you can draw a line, and then one way is supposed to spin, the other way isn't. And you can just tap it slightly with a hammer. You're gonna feel it. If it stays, it should just hold. And in this case, it wasn't holding. Hard to show. Don't have a really good camera. Don't have a good setup. It's not in a vise, but I hope you get the idea. So it just ended up being a BAD Bendix. So BAD Bendix looks like.